So I'm here with Neil Gaskins, NG Logistics, with your wonderful covered trailer. I always get very excited when you turn up with a covered trailer because I know there's something special inside.
Generally speaking, the best ones are inside, aren't they? And there's the best one over there. That's a beautiful, beautiful car.
Beautiful. Now you love a Bentley.
I do.
You might have one or two yourself.
Possibly.
But look at this.
That's fantastic.
Absolutely fantastic. So it's just rolled out of the trailer. It's quite simply a really stunning Bentley S1. It really is. It's had a fortune spent on it. Absolute fortune. So what we're going to do is go and have a drive. Thank you. So here we are out on the road. This is really stunning. We always have every year a number of these S1, S2, S3 Bentleys in, but I can honestly say I don't think we've had one ever as nice as this. It is a real beauty, and what a sense of occasion driving it. Now I'm just driving, as you know, on the industrial estate, so we're not in a swanky location, but I can imagine this cruising around parts of Chelsea or going on a long trip on the continent, out for a night out. This was a very, very expensive car when new, and the bills that come with this are extraordinary. It's had an absolute fortune spent on it. So we'll be putting it details onto the website shortly, and look at that sun. But we just couldn't resist taking this one out. It's absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Have I said that enough times? I think you get the message that I really, really do like this car. Inside, it smells, lots of leather, there's lots of wood, it just smells opulent, it smells of luxury. We'll do a quick turn around here, and then I think what we'll do, we'll go to the hotel and take a few photos, and then we'll bring it back inside so it's all tucked away, ready for the auction. Now the next auction is the last weekend in January, so if you're interested, if you've got a car that you'd like to consign, do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. We're going to be back open again from the 3rd of January, and got a really exciting sale. I think if you look at the website, you'll be hard pushed to disagree that there's not some really interesting cars in, and just a few of them like this we're just featuring just for you to have a little look at over the Christmas break. So hope you enjoy it. Anglia Car Auctions. We're now heading to the hotel for a few photos in this stunning Bentley S1, quite possibly the best one we have had at Anglia Car Auctions. Now that was fantastic. So we've just stopped at the hotel to do our photos and walk around video. Now Jack's got the camera. Jack's going to be just scooting round as we do, but pointing out beautiful paintwork, lovely chrome, absolutely stunning interior. Once Jack's gone around the car, and it's a big car, it takes a while to walk around it. When we're doing a mini, it's a lot of a quicker process, but walking around a big old Bentley like this does take a little bit more time. And if you look inside, we've got to be careful with the wind because it's quite a windy day, but just look at that interior. There's a lot of wood, a lot of leather has gone into, just a moment, into making this. Just pull this folder out, but if you can see in there, really is lovely. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too strong. It really is blowing a bit of a hoolie, as they say up here. Brilliant.